family? This is Indigo Child. Once again, just out here in nature. Getting a little walk in with my wife today. Nothing too major, man. Been a while since I posted anything. It's been kind of busy, taking care of her, getting her back together. Had a little surgery or whatever. It wasn't a little surgery, it was pretty major. We just getting some exercise. Getting back up to par. She over there on the phone. Over here at the dam, chilling. My emerald tablet hoodie. Yeah, it sound like a helicopter now. Man. December 10th. They gonna try to shut us down. This all good. That's why we email each other, text each other, and keep in contact offline, off YouTube, whatever they want to do. It's about doing it in the streets anyway. We're gonna enjoy this platform as long as they allow us to, but it's time to create them new platforms. I know they coming. I'm already looking to some different options myself. It's a little cool out here today. At the small airport on the other side of the hill. They do a little small commercial flying and everything, and care flight. Be over there quite a bit. We're gonna have to get us some bikes and ride around down here. He would go stand right on the edge of the dang old thing. You got all that room over there to just stand there and fish, and he wants to go stand on the edge. I tell you, white people, they known for doing a bunch of extra shit. Man, all the time. But yeah. Just saying what's up. Indigo Child saying out. Hit that like, subscribe. Until next time.